你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. I'll show you how to write color-related characters in traditional Chinese. It's the second video on how to write colors in traditional Chinese. I'll show you yellow and green, 黄, 绿. They have more strokes and might be complicated to write. No worries, I'll provide step-by-step instructions and also character decompositions. Okay, let's grab your pen and start writing with me. I want to share with you some tips on how to write Chinese characters. They are from top to down, from left to right, from outside to inside, and the last stroke will end the square. Let's jump into practice so that you'll know what I'm talking about. 黄 means yellow. It's also a family name. The radical of Huang is Huang itself. Do you still remember that I mentioned Chinese characters focus on balance? You can tell from Huang because if you draw a line in the center vertically, you'll find the left and the right parts are the same. So when you write it, imagine there's a line in the center and it will help you write Huang beautifully. Apart from writing, I'd like to share with you there are many dialects in Chinese and in Mandarin, yellow. The family name is Huang. You'll see the same Huang with different spellings. It's because their family name is all Huang, but they speak different dialects of Chinese. It's common in Chinese that the same pinyin but different words, or the different pinyin but the same word. If you are interested, welcome to check Huang from Wikipedia. I leave the link in my description. Okay, let's get back to our topic and write Huang with me. Lui means green. The left part is the radical called mi, it's silk. The right part is lu, it's phonetic of lui. Lu means to carve wood, but we mostly don't use it in modern times. Lu looks like a dream catcher in bronze characters. And if you are interested, welcome to check it out in 汉字元. Again, I leave the link in my description. Hey, do you watch my previous video? As I mentioned before, mi is one of the essential radicals. We see mi again. So let's review 红 and 绿 before we end this video. Their left parts are both mi. 红 is with a short, chubby English alphabet I on the right, while 绿 is a dream catcher on the right. I hope adding some imaginations will help you remember them. Yay! It's the end of this week. Do you like it? We learned so much in this video. Since the characters are more complicated, I only introduce you 2 each week. Let's check them again. They are 黄, 绿. I'll show you blue and indigo in the next video. If you find my videos are informative, welcome to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.